Hi friends, welcome to our channel Crack You RRB SSC Banking Exam. In today's session, we will be doing important arithmetic question. We have already done one session for that, and in that we had different topics, and in this we will have again 5 different topics. They will be from first is speed and distance, the other will be mensuration, the problem with square and circles, ages, trains and riverboat. So, which day is today? Today is day 9, and what series is this? IBPS Clerk Pre Crash Course series. We will have 10 questions from these topics, and this will be in form of a quiz, as you all know this. And to join this quiz, you need to come to cracku.in/live. Everybody can participate in this quiz, as we have gifts for winners, and that is IBPS mock test series. This series will have 25 mock tests, both in Hindi and English. Hi Suri, hi Akshaya, hi Chris. Ashwarya, you can come here and join to cracku.in/live to take part in this quiz, or else we are live daily from Monday to Friday at 4 p.m. Each day we have a special class for a topic that is related to IBPS Clerk Free. You can come and join here. So, chalo, let me clear everything. I will write it again, so it is more clear. Today is day 9 for our crash course series, and for the quiz you need to join here cracku.in/live. We will have 10 questions on different topic. What are the topics we will be doing today? It is speed and distance, ages, riverboat, trains and mensuration. Whoever is among the top 3 people in the leaderboard will be eligible to win a hamper, and that is IBPS mock test series. And for winning this, you need to be among the top 3 people in the leaderboard, and to be in the top 3 people, only thing you need to do is participate in this quiz. This is the link so that you can participate here. Hey online hero, hi Ganesh, hi Monica. Yeah, there is only one class per day, and this is 30 days crash course for IBPS Clerk Pre. Remember, to solve this question and this question, the only basic thing you need, the basic thing, I am not saying the depth, what is like upstream, downstream. The first and the foremost basic thing is speed is equals to distance by time. And do you know what is the funda for upstream and downstream? Chalo, if you are not clear with the river, one thing you can see is, let's imagine you are climbing a staircase. There's lots of stairs in that staircase, there are hundreds and thousands of. So, when you are going up, you take time, there are lot of energy used and you feel tired. That means your speed is decreasing after as soon as you start climbing, that is upstairs. You are going up, so your in the speed is decreasing. So, that will be speed of the boat minus speed of the stream. As similarly in the river, when the river is flowing and you are going against the flow of the river, that means the river is pulling back. So, the speed must be subtracted here, that is the speed of the stream will pull you back. And for the downstairs, again the staircase, you are coming down, we are so happy to come down, we just jump and we reach down. That means your speed is increasing. Similarly, in case of river, when you are going down, even the speed of the river is pushing you down, that is towards the downstream. So, the speed is added. This is the most basic thing for river and boat, which will solve all of your, like not all, but 90% of your problems. Hi Aryant. Can I have any video to learn aptitude fully? Yeah, sure, we will come with that. Everybody join here cracku.in/live. I am posting the first question now. For each question, a timer of 1 minute is given. If you want a basic videos, you can just go to cracku.in, you will get all the videos there. And ma'am, any videos to access? Yeah, you can first come here and participate in the quiz via cracku.in/live, and for basic level you can go to cracku.in, you will get the videos, or else even we will come up with new videos. So, do not worry about it, we will definitely come up with different concept and different videos. Till then, solve this and participate in this quiz, so that you are among the top 3. Okay, the first thing, if you are among the top 7, you can see your name here, and if you are among the top 3, you will be winning a hamper. Okay, with this, there are 4 correct answer and 7 wrong answer. Okay, let us see how do we solve this now. A man is standing on a, okay, he is there on a bridge. He finds the train crosses the bridge in 20 seconds. Okay, the train crosses the bridge in 20 seconds. The same train crosses the man in 8 seconds. So, what is the length of the train? So, let us say the length is first x. We know the man is stationary, so we consider the man to be negligible. If a man is here, a train is just crossing here. So, what is the length we consider is the length of the train, as man is just a dot there. So, with this we can say speed is equals to distance by time. So, distance here is x, that is length of the train, as the train is crossing the man, and the time given is 8 seconds, and this is to cross the man. So, if a train is crossing the man and we have the distance, we have taken it to be x, can we get the speed of the train? Yes, it is this, do not mark it this. So, the other thing it is saying, there is a bridge of the length 240 meters. Okay. Now, the train crosses the bridge, that means the train is here, it is in the initial position of the bridge. If the train comes here, it is with the bridge, like in the entire length. When is the train crossing the bridge? When the train, the last part of the train, if you are considering the box, then if the last coach of the train is crossed, that is here the head of the bridge and the tail of the train. That means this is the portion where train is crossing the bridge. So, what is the length or the distance covered? It is 240 plus length of the train, that is x. So, again speed will be, distance is our 240 plus x. What is the time taken to cross the bridge? It is 20 seconds. We know the speed, they are the same speed. So, just equate them. Will we get the answer here? Definitely. 4 2 ja, 4 5 ja. So, this will be 480 plus 2x is equals to 5x. Just take it this side, you will get 3x is equals to 480. 3 1 ja, 3 1 ja, 3 6 ja, 0. X is equals to 160 meter. We have our answer. Option C is the correct answer, and 4 people got this correct. Whenever we are talking about crossing the bridge, that means we take the head of the bridge and the tail of the train and combine both the distance. So, it is 240 plus x. Let us go to the next question. Okay. Hi Malika Arjun. Everyone joining new can come to cracku.in/live to join the test and participate in the quiz. So, if you are among the top 3 people, you will get a award. Come on everyone, this is a very easy question. You can just get a marks there. Here we are giving you for 10 questions, you are getting 10 minutes, but in the exam you have 20 minutes for 35 questions. That means less than a minute for a single question. See, in arithmetic type of thing, the 95% of the question is solved when you get an equation. And how do you get equation? Equation is like, for example, if you are doing speed and distance like we are doing for this time, it's like distance plus distance should be equals to distance. That means units should be same. You just can't take a distance for something and add it with the speed of something and get is equals to time of something. No, remember dimensions should be equal, and if you are able to equate things and get a linear equation, your solution is done. You just need to solve that and get the answer. It's that easy. Okay. For this question, 8 people got this correct and 5 wrong. Here we have 3 people. See, what is the question saying? The average of 9 numbers is 45. Okay. If the average of first 5 number is 54 and average of last 5 number is 36, then find the 5th number. So, there are 2 different ways of doing this. In the first one, what you can do is sum of 10 numbers minus sum of 9 numbers. You can get, this is the first part, we will solve in this way also, and in the second part you can just do is subtract the first 5 and last 5, that is this one. Whatever you get is divided by 2. Consider we are getting x. As we are subtracting both the terms, whatever the common number is, you are subtracting it 2 times. So, whatever you get is divided by 2. So, let us see, we will start now. We know average is equals to sum of numbers divided by total number of things whatever is there. We know this is the basic formula for average. Okay. Here we have the average. So, 45 is equals to sum divided by 9. So, what is the sum we get? We get 45 into 9. So, that is 405. We got the sum of 9 numbers. We have the average of first 5 numbers. So, we can get sum of first 5. Sum of first 5 is equals to again 54 into 5. So, what is this? 5 into 50 is 250 and then 5 into 4 is 20. So, 250 plus 20 is 270. and then sum of last 5 is equals to 36 into 5. So, it is again 180, we are getting this. So, if you add this, are you getting sum of 10 numbers? They are 5 and 5. So, this is sum of 10 numbers. When you are adding this, what are you getting is 0, 7, 7, 14 plus 1 is 15, 1 goes here, 5 here, and this is 2, 3, 4. You got the sum of 10 numbers. We have the sum of 9 numbers. So, what is the fifth number? You can just do is sum of 10 minus sum of 9. Why are we doing this? As obviously here we have one extra number, that is our answer, the fifth number. So, it is minus this. 45 is the answer, option D is the correct answer, and 8 people got this correct. So, this was the first type where you are doing sum of 10 numbers minus sum of 9 numbers. In the next, what you can do just is, you have this, now rather than adding this, you can just subtract them, whatever you get is 270 minus 180 is equals to 90. So, when you are subtracting, let us say these are the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, first number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the last 5 numbers. When you are subtracting this and this, the common thing that gets subtracted is these two numbers 1 and 2. So, that means this sum is average of these two numbers divided by 2, whatever you get, 45 is the answer. Option D is the correct answer. Hello Nagarjuna Jayashree, Naganuri Jayashree. Okay, and with this we have 8 people with correct answer and 5 wrong. Let us go to the next question now. Anyone joining new can come to tracku.in/live. See, whenever you get confused in a part or you are stuck in a problem, okay, if you are stuck in exam and you are wasting your 1 to 2 minutes in a single question, do not do that, just skip it and go to the next question, as time is the only very precious thing in the examination, obviously with knowledge, but still time is really precious. But when you are stuck in this type of problem and you wanted to solve it, just use the basic and the common sense that we apply while doing it. Like if it is saying Heinz, so what is it? If it is saying ago, that means it is talking the age of which time, and then it will easily be solved. Okay. We have 7 correct answer, 4 wrong answer. Okay, the time's up, and with this we have 9 correct answer. Hi Silpa, and 4 wrong answers. Let us see how do we solve this. There are 3 people in the leaderboard with score 2, 2, 2, that is the same score, and the other again with the same score, that is Sindula and Alvanur with 1.75. Age related question. Okay, what it's saying is 8 years hence the sum of A and B's age were 70 years. That means sum of their age 8 year hence, that is after 8 years from now it will be 70 years. 4 years ago the ratio between sum of ages of A and B together and C was 2:1, that is A plus B is to C is 2:1. What is the percentage? What is the present age of C? First thing, let us say ages of A, B and C are A, B and C. To avoid confusion, we can take their name only, as it is the same alphabet, it is not the same alphabet. So, the present age we know, this is the present age. Let the present age be this. Now, it is saying 8 year hence. So, in the present age we are just adding 8. as we are talking about future, 8-year Heinz, like 8 years from now. Similarly for B, B plus 8 is equals to 70. Okay. Then we are getting is equals to 70 minus 8 plus 8 is 16. So, I can simply say when you subtract this, what will you get is 70 minus 16, first you subtract 10, it is 60 minus 6, again then you get 54, first part. The other thing it is saying the ratio of sum of ages, but now it is saying 4 years ago, that means 4 years ago, in the past, 4 years ago. So, we will subtract 4 years from the present age. Now, it is saying A minus 4 plus B minus 4 is to C minus 4 is equals to 2:1. This is the equation. Can we solve this and get the answer? Yes, definitely. So, this is A plus B minus 4 plus 4, 8. This A plus B minus 8 is equals to C minus 8. The signs are common. If it goes there, it will be minus 8 and this 2 will get cancelled out. This is 2C. Okay. We know what is A plus B. It is 54. So, what we have is 2C is equals to 54. When you cancel this, you get 27. Age of C is 27. Present age of C 27. We got our answer, where option B is the correct answer, and 9 people got this correct. Chaitanya, ma'am, question is not visible clearly. To see the question and attempt the question, you can come here, cracku.in/live. If it is not visible in the video, you can just join here, cracku.in/live. The questions will be visible here. So, am I clear with this? If it is talking about Heinz, that is talking about the future. What you need to do is, you need to add the things to the present age, and when it is talking about ago, it is talking about the past. So, what you need to do is, you need to subtract the ages from the present age. Remember, from where are you subtracting it? If you are basically, you can take the reference to be the present age, so that it is very easy for you to determine whether we need to subtract or add. Okay, let us go to the next question. One minute and an interesting question. See, the numbers can be in decimal, but it does not mean it is complex. You can just try doing this, it is not so difficult. Come on, Jiga and Silpa, you can do this. You got one correct and there are so many more questions. Okay. Aryanth is leading the board with score 3, and then Alvanur Singh and then Akshaya. With this, the timer is off. We have 5 correct answer and 5 wrong answer. So, first basic thing is upstream. As I have said, upstream is something, if you are confused with the river, that either we are going with the flow of the river or we are going against the flow of the river, and you find it very confusing. Just take an example of staircase. Generally, people have trouble climbing a staircase. So, whenever you are climbing, maybe it is 100, 1000. When you are climbing up, you start losing your energy and your speed decreases. Similarly, in the river, what happens? When you ride the boat against the river is flowing this way, you are going this way. Obviously, the force, the pressure of the river will take you down. That means, the speed is getting subtracted. With speed, the speed of the stream will be getting subtracted with the boat. So, this will be speed of the boat minus speed of the stream. In the downward, you are going along the river. if the river is flowing this way, even you are going this way, obviously the river will help you flow. Whenever you throw in the rainy season, we play with the boat, we make a paper boat, not now when we are small, we make a paper boat and just we keep it flows. The same concept, you just place the paper boat, it will take it with its speed, that means the speed is getting added up. Remember this will solve 90% of your problems. Chalo, let's see what is the question. Oops, you took it wrong, or is it something else? Chalo, let's see, we'll see the solution for this. If a boat travels 29 km in upstream direction in 5 hours and the speed of the stream is 2.2 km, then time taken by boat to travel in distance 81.6 km in downstream is. Okay, let's say the speed of boat to be x, speed of, yes Ramya Mohan, it's 8 hour, yeah correct, stream to be y. Now we know the value of y, it is 2.2 km per hour. Okay, it is saying the boat travels 29 km upstream direction, that means x minus y is equals to 29 by 5. Why I am doing 29 by 5? Because this upstream and downstream, they are not directions, rather they are speed. And whenever you equate thing, it must have similar dimension, that means the unit must be similar. You just can't add meter per second and meter directly, as both the units are different. So this is distance by time, and distance by time is our speed. So speed of boat is x, speed of stream is y, is equals to upstream. So x is equals to 29 by 5 plus 22 by 10. Why I am doing 22 by 10? Because we know y is equals to 2.2, so we can just take it 22 by 10. Can we do this? Yes, obviously, and then 2 here. Now 29 into 2, if you find it difficult, you can do 30 into 2, 30 into 2 is 60, and come 2 steps down, that is, when you are coming 60 and 2 steps down, you get 58 plus 22, what you are getting is 80 by 10, 8 kilometer per hour. This is the speed. Now it is asking for the downstream. So what is downstream? It is b plus x. What is b? B we got it 8. What is s? That is speed of the stream. We have 2.2. It is 10.2. This is the speed. The distance is given. So what will be? It will be distance 81.6 to time and 10.2. This is a direct calculation. You can do 10 into 8 is 80 and 0.2 into 8 is 1.6. So it is 81.6 and it is 8 hours. Option C is the correct answer. 5 people got this correct and 5 wrong. Yes, Ramya, you are correct, and if you are correct, you can take and participate in this quiz in cracku.in/live. Yes, Aryan, it might be a tricky question, but this kind of question comes in the examination. Rather, this can be one of the question from the previous year paper. If you are practicing previous year paper, you must know which question is which part is this from. So let's go to the next question now. Okay, interesting, easy and mensuration questions. See, mensuration questions are just bonus questions. They are given, they are very easy to solve and you can get marks from that. Easy and scoring. There are 4 people with the same marks: Sindula, Madhupriya, Udita and Rajeshri. Come on people, there are more questions, you can just get them correct and be among the top 3 people. Last 5 seconds. Okay, 7 people got this wrong, 8 people got this wrong and 5 correct. Let us see what is the solution for this. Yes, Aryan, this is an easy one. It's just very scoring. These type of questions are in the examination and they are actually scoring. They can gain you that positive marks and that may be the turning point of your life. You can qualify the examination. Let's see what is the solution. Area of a square is this. Okay, what is the area? Area of a square is side square. Side square is given as, if you have attended the few other classes that we have already done, you know how to get the square. See, if there is 4, if you don't know what is the square root for this, if there is 4, that means it must be the square of 2, that is 2 2s are 4 and 8, 8 8s are 64. Okay, so we have, and this must be a 2-digit number. So, we have 2 and 8. What is the, for this number falls between and 9 square, that is 81. We take the smaller number. So, 8 is the confirmed thing, not 2. So, it is 8 for the first number, and for the first number you can just do it more easy way. You know 25 into 25 is equals to 625. Okay, and 30 into 30 is equals to 900. So, this must be among the numbers between 25 and 30 and which must have 8 in the unit place. So, only number which has 8 in the unit place and is between 25 and 30 is 28. So, the answer is 28. Chalo, this was just to give a revision that how do we get square root. Otherwise, you must know this. So, side is equals to 28. We got side. Again it is saying the diameter of a circle is equal to the side of the square. That means diameter of a circle is 2 into radius is equals to 28. 14, we got the radius to be 14. Then what is the circumference of the circle? Circumference, if this is a circle, what is the circumference? It is the entire thing. It is not the area, but the entire thing. So, what is the circumference? It is 2 pi r is equals to 14. What is the value of pi? It is 22 by 7 into 14. This is not equals to 14, yeah. 14, 7 1s are 7 2s are 22 into 2 is 44, 44 into 2 is 88. And what 88? Now, there is an important part, just do not get excited and mark option A. Option A says 88 square meter. So, it is not square meter. For yes, Ramya, it is correct. For circumference, the unit must be, as only we have single thing for the length. So, unit must be meter. And for area, when it says pi r square, here we have the square. So, it should be square meter for area, but not for circumference, it will be meter. So, find it 88 meter, option C the correct answer. Yes, Naganuri, it is 88. So, 5 people got this correct and 8 wrong. Let us go to the next question. Arithmetic questions are very interesting questions. Maybe some people find a phobia with it. Even why some people, I even had the phobia for arithmetic problems. The only thing you need to do is practice them. As much as you get familiar with the questions, you will start liking the questions. Seconds remaining. There are 2 ways to solve. One is a step by step, a lengthy way, or you can directly solve this. It is an easy question. And yes, this is the 6th question. So, we have 4 more questions. Okay, the timer is off. we have 3 correct answer and 8 wrong answer. Top 3 people. Let's see how do we solve this. Okay. A passenger train that runs at a speed of 78 km per hour leaves the station 8 hours after the goods train left and catches it 5 hours. What is the speed of the goods train? Okay. A goods train left 8 hours before, and after 8 hours a passenger train left the station and it caught the station in 5 hours. Okay, this is the question. Let us see. So, passenger train took 5 hours to reach to wherever the goods train was there. Consider this to be track. Okay. Let us say the goods train is here, the passenger train started here, it took 5 hours to catch this, 5 hours. This is the thing it is asking, we need to find the speed of the goods train. So, first thing you can do is you can go step wise step. What is this? You can say the speed of goods train to be x. So, for 8 hours it travelled, that is distance covered in 8 hours, it is 8x. We are just doing speed into time. So, we get the distance. Okay. This is the distance travelled in 8 hours. Now, after 8 hours what train started? Passenger train started. So, what we need to calculate now is the relative distance, as even this train is moving, this train is moving, and they are moving in the same direction. This train, one is here, they are moving in the same direction. So, what is it getting? It is getting subtracted, as whatever distance it is covering, it is again moving a little bit ahead. So, here comes the concept of relative speed. So, when they are moving in the same direction, what it gets? It gets subtracted. We know the speed of passenger train is this, goods train is this, and they are moving together for 5 hours. So, what will be the distance? 5 into 78 minus x. So, in 5 hours the passenger train covered the distance covered by the first train. So, together whatever we get, the distance is 8x and 578 minus x. When you solve this, you get x is equals to 30. So, this is one of the way. The other way it can be, the other way I can say it can be, you can just do a thing, I will clear everything. With the speed of 78 km per hour, it chases the train, the goods train, in 5 hours. So, that means distance covered by passenger train is 78 into 5. Are we clear? With the speed of this, it caught the train in 5 hours. So, the total distance till which the train have reached is this much. Okay. The other thing it tells us is goods train took the time to travel the same distance. So, time, okay, I will write it complete sentence. Time taken by goods train to travel 78 into 5 kilometers is equals to 8 plus 5. So, it is 8 plus 5, it is 13 hours. Am I clear till here? And what is this? This is 5 8s are 40, 0 here, 35, 39. When you multiply, you get this kilometers. So, when you know the time taken by this train, you know the distance covered, you can find the speed. So, speed is equals to distance 390, time taken is 13 hours, just cancel it, you get 30 as the answer. This is a easier way, you can prefer this way in the examination. Just the basic thing we did is we know the speed of the passenger train, we know it took 5 hours to reach to the point wherever the goods train have reached. So, we can just multiply them and calculate the total distance that the passenger train traveled to catch the train, goods train. Yes, we got it, that is 390. And what have we done is, we knew the time taken by the goods train to reach that point again, and that is 8 plus 5, it is 13 hours. So, when you know the time, when you know the distance, can you find the speed? Yes, speed is equals to distance by time. So, option D is the correct answer, and 3 people got this correct and 8 wrong. Can't able to listen the class and attend the quiz parallel. Okay, I am posting a question, there is a timer of 1 minute given, you can attend the quiz in that 1 minute, and if you feel it, I will keep quiet and wait for the 1 minute so that you can concentrate in the question, and then I will solve them. Okay, let us go to the next question now. Again a mensuration question, and even this is easy, and I will not speak much, I do not want to disturb you people, just solve this and get the answer. It's an easy and scoring one again. Okay, we have 3 wrong answers and 0 correct answer. Okay, now we have 1 correct answer and 4 wrong answer. Most of the people are not even attempting this. You need to attempt question. Okay, yes, there is a negative marking. So, if you want, you can skip the question if you are not able to do this. Let us see what is the solution for this now. What is it saying? The difference between the circumference of circle A and diameter is 90 centimeter. Okay. What is the circumference of circle? We have just now done this. If it talks about circle A, I am just mentioning a here. So, this is the radius of circle A, it is clear, and diameter, that means minus. What is the diameter? Diameter is 2 into radius A is equals to 90 centimeter. This is the equation we get. Can we take 2RA common? Yes. What are we getting is pi minus 1 is equals to 90. 2 and 45. This is again RA is equals to, we are just putting the values of pi, that is minus 1 is equals to, again radius of circle A 7. If you subtract 22 and 7, what you get is 20 minus 5, again you get is 15, that is 15 by 7 is equals to 45. So, this is 15 1 ja, 15 3 ja. So, RA is equals to 7 into 3 is 21. We got the value of radius of circle A. Now, let us see if the radius of circle B is 7 centimeter less than A. So, radius of B is 7 centimeter less than A, that is A minus 7. So, what is the radius of B? It is 14. Okay. Now, it is saying then find the area of circle B. Again, what is area? Area is equals to pi r square. What is pi? Pi is 22 by 7. What is r square? Here we need to find the area for circle B. So, we will use the radius of circle B, that is 14 into 14. 7 1 ja, 7 2 ja. 2 into 14 is 28 into 22, 8 2 ja, 16. See, I am just calculating it, but you must know this. This is 616, and what is the unit? It is square meter. Okay, things are given in centimeter. So, this is obviously centimeter, the units are same. So, option E is the correct answer. Yes, Naganuri, is 616 the correct answer. Let us go to the next question now. Again a question with ages. Just remember what is Heinz, what is ago, and you just make a representation, you will solve the question very easily. Okay, final 10 seconds. 5. Okay, with this we have 6 correct answers and 6 wrong answers, and here are the top 3 people with score 6. Aryan Jain, Madhupriya with score 3.75 and Alvanur Singh with score 3.5. Then comes Akshaya with score 3 and Gananeshwar with score 2, and even Udita with the same score 2, and Sai Prasad with score 1.75. Let us see what is the solution for this question now. Average age of A and B 2 years ago was. So, let us take a base, where are we comparing. So, present age of A and B, let the present age of A and B be A and B itself. Again, to avoid confusion, if you do x and y, you will get, maybe you get confused that which is x and which is y. So, we are doing keeping it A and B. Average age means sum divided by total number is equals to 26, but is it so? No, it is talking about 2 years ago. So, we need to do present age ago minus 2 plus B minus 2 divided by 2 is equals to 26. Okay. So, A plus B minus 4 is equals to 26 into 2, that is 6 2s are 12 and 2 here, 2 2s are 4 and 5. Again here A plus B is equals to, you are just taking this side, changing the sign and getting plus. So, you are adding this, you get 56. We know the sum of A and B now. The present age, the sum of present age of A and B is 56. Now, the second line says, if the age of A 5-year Heinz is 40, that means present age of A plus 5 is equals to 40. So, we know the present age of A now, it is 35. I am just taking this side and subtracting it. Now, if we have A, can we find B? Yes. So, B is equals to 56 minus 35. What do we get? Is 21. We know the age of B also, it is 21. Now, B is 5 years younger than C. So, B is 5 years younger than C. So, if you get confused that if it is younger, do we need to add or subtract? Remember, 5 years younger, if you have a brother or a sister, and if your brother is younger than you, that means he is smaller than you. What do you, he is obviously, he has a less age than you, and when it is less age, what do you do is subtract. So, where are you subtracting? That means B is having a less age and we know the age of B. So, in this case, you need to add 5 to the age of B to get C. So, C is equals to B plus 5, as B is younger than C, that means 5 years younger, means this equation. So, this means this implies C is equals to 21 plus 5 is 26. We note the age of A, B and C. Okay. Then what is the difference between the ages of A and C? A is 35 minus B is sorry, C is 26. Subtract this, what you get is 9. Option D is the correct answer, and 6 people got this correct and 6 wrong. Okay, let's go to the next question now. These questions are really important and a very good type, and it's apt for the level of IBPS pre-exams. So, if you are able to do this, that's really very nice. Seconds remaining. Okay, 2 people got this correct. Use the same logic as I have said, upstream, downstream. 2 equations, you will get 2 equations, solve them, you will get the answer. Okay, with this we have 6 correct answer and 4 wrong answer. Let us see how do we solve this. A boat covers 50 kilometers in 2 hours in downstream. So, downstream, let the speed again, let speed of boat be B and speed of stream be S. So, when it is downstream, that means things are added. So, it is B plus S is equals to, this is speeds obviously. So, this must be speed, we know the distance, we know the time, and speed is equals to distance by time. So, this will be 50 by 2 and 25. So, we know B plus S is equals to 25, okay, and covers same distance, that is 50 kilometers in 5 hours in upstream. So, in case of upstream, that is minus same distance, how many time it took 5 hours. So, it is 10. So, what you get is here now B plus S is equals to 25 and B minus S is equals to 10. We got 2 equation, plus minus, subtracting this, you get 2B is equals to 35, implies B is equals to 17.5. So, we know the speed of the boat. It says find the distance covered in 2 hours in still water. Still water means the speed of stream is 0. That means the only thing now remaining is speed of the boat. So, if it is saying the speed in still water again means speed of the boat itself. So, we know the speed of the boat, it is 17.5, then distance covered is obviously distance is equals to speed into time 2 hours. What is the answer? It is 35 kilometers. Option B is the correct answer. And this was the 9th question. Let us go to the last question. This last question will decide the top 3 people. I can see Aryant as a clear winner with score 7, but nobody knows if he gets this wrong. Obviously, he will get minus 1.25, and if you are getting this right and other people are getting this right, maybe they are coming up. So, still do not lose the hope and attempt the question. You already have 1 person as correct and 2 wrong. Last 10 seconds remaining. And the time's up. With this we have 2 people with correct answer and 6 wrong. So, there are 3 people in the top 3 position on the leaderboard. They are Aryan Jain with score 7, congratulations, then Alvanur Singh with 5.5 and Akshaya with 4. Congratulations people, you are eligible for IBPS mock test series with 25 mock tests and both in Hindi and English. That means अगर आपको हिंदी में देना है आप हिंदी में दीजिएगा और go with English. चलो, let's see the solution for this question now. A man can reach a certain place in 15 hours. So, we don't know how many what is the distance he is covering. We know the time. He covered that distance in 15 hours. If he reduced his speed by 1/5, then he goes 15 kilometer less in that time. So, the time is same, and if the speed is decreased, he is traveling 15 kilometer less. Then find his speed. Okay, let us see what is the speed. Let the speed be x. Okay, so distance traveled is speed into time, so that is 15x. Okay, we got the distance he traveled originally when he had speed to be x. Now, if the speed is reduced by 1/5, so when we are reducing the speed by 1/5, what is the remaining speed? That is obviously 4/5. Chalo, but still I will do step by step so you get it clearly. Speed reduced is equals to 1/5 of x, that is x by 5. So, now the speed becomes, so present speed is equals to x minus x by 5, that is again 4x by 5. This is the present speed. So, distance now he covered is 4x by 5, and we know in that time, that means again in 15 hours. So, 15, 5 1s are 5 3s are, this is 12x. So, this distance and this distance, if you subtract them, what you get is 15x minus 12x is equals to 15 kilometers, at he travelled 15 kilometer less. So, the difference should be 15 kilometers. You have 3x is equals to 15, 5 x is equals to 5, and all the units are in kilometer and hour. So, it is kilometer per hour. So, option C is the correct answer. Now, even here you can do is distance is 4x by 5, which is original distance minus 15 kilometer. So, here even you will get the same answer. Chalo. What is the answer? It is 5 kilometer per hour. And with this was the last question. Thank you everyone. We have 3 clear winners. They are Aryan Jain with score 7, Alvanur Singh 5.5 and Akshaya with 4, and other are Madhupriya with 3.75, Sai Prasad with 2.5, Rajeshri with 1.75 and Naganuri Jayashree with 1.5. Even you can do it. We come live daily, that is Monday to Friday 4 p.m. Tomorrow we will have a different topic, and that will be from verbal English. So, to take part in this, please do join tomorrow 4 p.m. and yes, till then please do like, share and comment, and yes, if you liked it then please do like and even press the bell icon. So, whenever we come online